Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Chevrolet Suburban, an SUV that has built a reputation for spaciousness, strength, and family-friendly comfort. With this latest model, Chevy pushes the limits of what a full-size SUV can offer, blending rugged performance with refined tech and smart design. Let's jump in and break it all down, feature by feature. Body panels. The 2025 Suburban continues its tradition of bold, squared-off design but with sharper lines and more sculpted details. The body panels are made from high-strength steel with aluminum elements, giving it both toughness and weight efficiency. The longer wheelbase offers commanding presence and stability on the road, while the subtle curves improve aerodynamics without losing that classic Suburban edge. This SUV doesn't just look big, it looks strong, capable, and ready for anything. Headlights. Up front, the Suburban features new LED matrix headlights with adaptive beam functionality. These lights automatically adjust to oncoming traffic and road conditions, enhancing safety and visibility at night. The signature C-shaped daytime running lights frame the headlights with modern flair, offering a distinctive, upscale look. They're not just for style, they're engineered for optimal performance and awareness in all driving scenarios. Taillights. Around the rear, the taillights are fully LED with a sleek, horizontal design that emphasizes the SUV's wide stance. Their clear, high-visibility output helps increase road safety, especially during braking or night driving. The light signature has been updated for 2025 to deliver a cleaner, more modern finish that makes a bold statement whether the Suburban is on the highway or parked in your driveway. Grille. The front grille is bolder than ever, available in a variety of finishes depending on trim, from a refined chrome look to a sporty black mesh on RST and Z71 variants. It's wide and deep, giving the Suburban a powerful first impression while helping maximize airflow for engine cooling. Integrated active grille shutters improve aerodynamics when cruising, helping to enhance fuel efficiency, a small but important touch for a vehicle of this size. Seats. Inside, the 2025 Suburban takes passenger comfort to the next level with premium seating across all three rows. The front seats are 12-way power adjustable with heating, ventilation, and available massage functions. Second-row captain's chairs provide executive-level comfort, while the third row offers true adult-sized seating and no cramping here. Materials vary by trim but include soft-touch leather, contrast stitching, and perforated textures for a luxury feel. Dashboard. The dashboard layout has been completely modernized, with a clean, horizontal design that enhances the sense of width and space. It features real wood or aluminum inlays, depending on the trim, and soft-touch surfaces throughout. Ambient lighting accents the edges for a subtle glow during night drives. Everything is driver-focused, blending functionality with modern elegance. Infotainment system. At the center is a massive 17.7-inch touchscreen display powered by Chevy's latest Google built-in infotainment system. It offers lightning-fast response, built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates, and seamless connectivity through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. An optional 12.3-inch digital driver display adds another layer of customization, and available rear seat entertainment screens keep passengers entertained on long road trips. The system also includes over-the-air updates, ensuring the tech stays fresh over time. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is both functional and stylish, with built-in controls for audio, phone, cruise, and driver assistance features. Higher trims get a heated wheel and available paddle shifters. It's tilt and telescopic adjustable, allowing drivers to find the perfect position, and it's integrated with haptic feedback for features like lane departure warning, keeping you connected to the road at all times. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Suburban offers a choice of two powerful engines. The standard 5.3 liters V8 produces 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-feet of torque, while the available 6.2 liters V8 pushes out 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. Both are mated to a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. With properly equipped towing capacity over 8,000 pounds, this SUV is ready for boats, trailers, and all your weekend adventures. Hybrid option. New for 2025, Chevy introduces a hybrid-assisted powertrain for the Suburban, a 3.0 liters turbocharged inline-six diesel paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It enhances low-end torque and improves fuel efficiency, especially in city driving. Start-stop functionality is seamless, and the electric assist reduces strain on the engine during acceleration. It's a smart upgrade for families who want big performance without compromising on economy. Airbags. Safety-wise, the Suburban comes loaded with up to 9 airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. The structure has been reinforced for greater impact protection, and the cabin is designed to cushion and deflect energy in the event of a crash. It's built not only to prevent accidents but to protect everyone inside if the worst happens. Parking assist. Despite its large size, the Suburban is surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to advanced parking assist tech. It features front and rear parking sensors, a high-resolution 360-degree camera, and automated parking assist with both parallel and perpendicular capability. Trailer hitch guidance is also included for smooth, confident towing. With this suite of features, navigating tight spots or backing up becomes effortless. Price. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 Chevrolet Suburban starts at around $61,000 for the base LS trim and can climb up to $85,000 for the fully loaded High Country or Z71 with every available feature. Considering its size, tech, and versatility, it's a solid investment for families or businesses that need big space with even bigger comfort. And there you have it.